Party people! Yeah! Tag team music in full effect. That's me, DC, the reign supreme. And my man Steve Ronan. We're kicking the flow. And it goes a little something like this.
Hey everyone! Have you ever caught yourself daydreaming about making money online but felt overwhelmed about where to start? Well, let me tell you, it's way easier than you think. Welcome to today's journey into the world of affiliate marketing, a realm where your financial aspirations can turn into reality. I'm here to unveil some affiliate marketing secrets that could be your ticket to earning money from the comfort of your home. First off, let's talk about a platform I stumbled upon, dailyincomeMadeEasy.net. This isn't just another site, it's a goldmine for anyone eager to dive into the online money-making wave. Now, imagine getting paid just for leaving comments on Facebook posts. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's just one of the many opportunities that await you. With dailyincomeMadeEasy.net, you're not just earning, you're making smart, effortless income. But that's not all. This platform doesn't just offer one way to make money. No, it opens up a spectrum of possibilities, from setting up multiple income streams to creating your very own online business card. The options are vast. And guess what? You can get all this up and running in just moments. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's all about sharing products you love and earning a commission whenever someone buys through your link. It's straightforward, and with the right strategies, incredibly effective. So, if you're ready to start your journey and dive into a sea of opportunities, head over to dailyincomeMadeEasy.net today. It's time to turn those dreams into tangible goals and watch as your bank account grows. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and today that step is just a click away. Let's make it happen, together.